Hello, everyone. Welcome to Math Rover. In Year 4, Lesson 2, Chapter 8, we will talk about how to compare values of decimals. Group 1, 3.8 and 4.2. Which one is bigger? 3.8 and 4.2. When we compare the values of decimals, we always start from the most left position. So, 3.8, 4.2. The most left position is one-digit position because 3 is smaller than 4. So, 4.2 is bigger than 3.8. Group 2, 6.3 and 6.7. 6.3, 6.7. Again, we start from the most left position. However, on one-digit position, 6, 6, they are the same. What should we do? Then we move towards right. On 10th position, 3 is smaller than 7. So 6.3 is smaller than 6.7. Group 3, 1.0 and 0.9. 1.0 and 0.9. Again, we start from the most left position, one-digit position, because 1 is bigger than 0. So 1.0 is bigger than 0.9. Group 4, 0.25 and 0.28. 0.25, 0.28. The most left position is one-digit position. However, they are the same. 0, 0. Then we move towards right. On 10th position, still the same. 2, 2. Now we come down to 100th position. This time, 5 is smaller than 8. So 0.25 is smaller than 0.28. Group 5, 3.01 and 1.99. 3.01, 1.99. We always start from the most left position. On one-digit position, 3 is bigger than 1. So 3.01 is bigger than 1.99. Group 6, 5.32 and 5.71. 5.32, 5.71. On the most left position, one-digit position, we got the same number, 5, 5. Then we move towards right. On 10th position, 3 is smaller than 7. So 5.32 is smaller than 5.71. Great, that's all for Chapter 8. How to order the decimals, or compare the values of decimals. One important thing deserves to remember. Always start from the most left position. Thank you for watching. That's all for decimal. See you next time. See you.